Hi everyone, good evening. So here I am again. Yesterday, in my Facebook account, I asked everyone a favor, which is to ask every one of you to follow the online shop store of my friend here in Shopee store. This time, I am here to present or to walk you through actually in the shop of my friend. At least you would be able to see some of the products that are being sold in here. And also, you can avail a lot of discounts. Then we also have different vouchers that you can also consume in here. So let me share to you my screen and let's go to Shopee store. So upon logging into your account in Shopee using your mobile phone or it could be in a laptop, then you are going to type in the search bar the Style Collective PH. In my case, I already typed the name of the shop, which is the Style Collective PH, and here is the shop. So as you can see, the Style Collective PH, I'm going to tick that or and then let's just wait. So I already followed this shop. And then the products here are there are already 788 products and followers 41. Thank you very much for following yesterday. And I really appreciate everything that you have done. And that this shop opened 5 days or 5 days ago. So, and as you can see, there are shop vouchers that you can avail here. So these vouchers are 10 peso off, 5 peso and 15 peso off. Then if you are not yet a follower, you can also avail the follower voucher. But in my case, I wasn't able to avail that anymore because I already followed this shop prior to making that follower voucher. Okay, so here are the products. So under these categories, we have men's bags and accessories, men's shoes, women's shoes, sports and travel. So we are going to see this very, very quick. So let's begin with the men's bags and accessories. At least you can see what are the products in here. So under men's bags and accessories category, most of the products that you can see here are sunglasses and caps. So here are the different caps and sunglasses. And these are really, really very beautiful and elegant, and then affordable as well. So you can choose which color you like. You have different colors here. And then, yeah, different bags as well, especially the opening of school year. This school year is already approaching and it will be open for the public school on August 29. See? So yeah, these are some of the products. More in bags, sunglasses, and caps. Mm-hmm. We have here also bags for children, backpacks. Sunglasses are, of course, unisex. Some of are unisex when we also have for women and men. Okay, now let's continue and proceed to the men's shoes. So in here, these are the products that you can see. Mhm. Different categories, different sizes, different what do you call this? Different colors, so you can choose from. Okay, so you have here black and then combination of many, many more. And then we can also see some of the flip-flop slippers, but it's very rare only and but more on shoes here. So, okay. Now let's continue to the women's shoes. Okay. These are the women's shoes. I like the pink one. Of course, that is my favorite color. I also like white and black. Then besides shoes, we also besides these sneakers, we also have flip flop for women. Okay, so different designs that you can choose from. Okay, now let's continue to the sports and travel. So the sports and travel, these are the things that you can see. We have the socks, and then we also have backpacks, traveling backpacks, then some gears that you can use for exercising. Okay, we have the Porte Mini Powerful Headlamp, the mat, the weighing scale. We also have the yoga bra, then the t-shirt dry fit for training, then what else? Spring bag gym wear training. Then we also have palm support, boxing gloves, many, many, many more. Hmm. Oh, going back, we have there the yoga ball. We have the sports elbow long sleeve, support brace, sling bag army tactical outdoor camping. And we also have skateboards for adults, youth, teens, kids. Now let's proceed to the home and living. We have here some towel, mm, and then mats. Okay, we also have shoebox organizer, the desk drawer organizer tray, then neck pillow with neoprene cover. Then we also have here decorative table night lights, then cake toppers, balloons, three-layer clothes rack, then luminous balloon. Okay, you can also buy bouquet of flowers here, plastic flowers for Valentine's Day, or it could be any occasions that you need flowers. Okay, so we have here. Then laptops and computers. So travel laptop backpack. Mm, We also have optical mouse. The prices can be seen there as from 150, I guess, that to 1,000. And then women's apparel. So we have here high waist pants, seamless panties. Then the clasp T-back push-up bra and wire. Then candy shorts and many, 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 many more socks as well. And then sports bra. Okay. Next, we have women's bags. Okay, so we have here the leather push button lock decorative sling bag, cross body shoulder bag, phone sling bag, tote bag capacity. What else do we have here? Travel sling crossbody bag, mm, shoulder sling bag. Okay, so these are the. Then we have the makeup fragrances. So these are very affordable. This is just a pink pouch, a mini. What's this? Pocket perfume, pocket size perfume for men and women. Okay. We also have oral spray, long mouth spray. Then for the babies and kids, we have here the bags for the babies and what else here? Summer clothing sets of 2 pieces. Perfect for gifts for your um, inaanak, for your kids. We also have appliances. Under home appliances, we have aroma diffuser, sleep mat for bathroom, coffee maker machine. Then we also have nano disinfectant fog machine. And the women accessories, we have here the elastic hair bands, girls. Then the business card holder. Then the unisex retro coin purse, key earphone storage. Then ear candle, medical aromatherapy. And then functional gadget iPad tablet pouch. So those are the products that we can see here. Some are already sold out here. So I hope you can visit the shop, and if you haven't followed yet, please follow the shop. Okay. Another thing here is let's go to Facebook and hope you can also follow the page of this shop. So let me just go there to say this is the page, the Style Collective PH Facebook page. So we still have here 6 followers. So I hope you can follow. So it's already opening actually. Here, discover amazing deals at our Shopee store. So it's it's finally open. And some of the products there from that store can be seen here as well, but not all the products there can be seen. Some of the products only. So you can check this out if you don't have time to open there. Just want to scroll and see something, the products here that you can see. There are a lot actually. Okay. So I think that's all. And thank you so much for watching. So I hope you can follow all these pages and our online shop store in Shopee store. Bye bye. Thank you very, very much.